Hi friends, today we get to use the distributive property to find the product of 6 and 4. So what does that really mean? Well, a product is an answer to a multiplication problem, and the factors in this case are going to be 6 and 4. So we want to find the answer to 6 times 4 using the distributive property. The distributive property is a property that allows us to break apart or find the answer for two smaller arrays to help us find the answer of the larger array. So I'm going to start off by drawing my array for 6 times 4. Now I know that 6 times 4 means 6 groups of 4. So I'm going to draw 6 rows with 4 items in each row. Now you see my array for 6 times 4. Now, I want to break the array into two smaller arrays. And I like to work with my 5's facts. So I'm going to draw my line here to break my array. Now it's time to label the array that's above the line. So looking at the array above the line, I'm going to shade those with green. My array above the line is going to be all of these green shaded dots. And so you'll notice there are 5 rows of 4 in this array. So I'll represent that with 5 times 4. And we know that equals 20. We could just count the dots if we needed to. Now it's time to label the array below the line. And I'm going to shade those dots blue so that you can see that. And it's one group of 4. So 1 times 4 equals 4. So I'm able now to combine the two multiplication sentences to find the total number of dots. In review, I would say that 6 times 4 is equal to 5 times 4 plus 1 times 4. So 5 groups of 4 plus 1 more group of 4. And we know that 5 times 4 is 20 and 1 times 4 is 4. So when we put those together, we can say that 6 times 4 is 24. That's the distributive property.